Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the Wii U console and the gamepad. Make sure the gamepad is within a couple meters to maintain connection. Once done, confirm both devices have sufficient battery so the process won't interrupt. Next, navigate to the Wii U menu and open System Settings. This is where the console accepts new gamepad pairings. You're starting the pairing handshake now, so keep the gamepad screen active and do not press unrelated buttons while the console awaits the next step. You continue by selecting the specific menu option. Choose Page 2 in System Settings and tap Connect a Wii U Gamepad. Then physically press the console's Sync button. It's under the front flap. Hold briefly until the LED blinks indicating it's discoverable. Once the console is ready, you press the gamepad's Sync button beneath its battery cover when prompted on screen. This coordinated sequence triggers the secure pairing exchange. Keep both devices steady and wait for the confirmation prompt that shows a successful link. You finish by confirming the on-screen message that the gamepad and console are paired. Test the touchscreen, buttons, and video feed to verify responsiveness. If pairing fails, make sure to power off both units fully, then power them back on and repeat the exact sync sequence. Small timing differences can matter. If problems persist, try a different power outlet or replace the gamepad batteries because low power can block pairing. One key troubleshooting tip: a complete power cycle often clears transient connection issues. Try that first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.